In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a task in Asana. Whether you're brand new to Asana or just need a quick refresher, by the end of this video, you'll feel comfortable adding tasks in the right place so nothing falls through the cracks. First, make sure you're logged into your Asana workspace in your browser. Once you're in, the very first thing you need to do is select the project where you want your new task to live. Tasks in Asana are always attached to at least one project, so choosing the correct project at the start keeps everything organized. Look at the left-hand sidebar where your projects are listed. Browse through your project list and click on the one that makes the most sense for the task you're about to create. For example, this could be a marketing campaign, a product roadmap, an internal operations board, or any other project you or your team have already set up. When you click on the project name, Asana will open that specific project in the main window, usually in List, Board, or another selected view. Take a second to confirm that you're in the right place. Check the project title at the top of the screen and glance at the tasks already listed there. If what you see matches the category of work you're planning to add, you're exactly where you need to be. Now that you've selected your project, it's time to actually create the task. Inside the project view, look for the button or link that says Add Task. Depending on your layout, this is typically found near the top of the task list or just above the first row of tasks. It may appear as a button labeled Add Task or as a simple plus icon next to that text. Click on Add Task. As soon as you do, Asana will create a new empty task row or a task panel ready for you to fill in. At this point, you can type in a clear task name like Draft Q2 Report or Review Design Mockups. After naming it, you can press Enter to save it, and then click into the task to add more details such as assignees, due dates, descriptions, and any relevant subtasks or attachments. That's all there is to it. Select the right project, then click Add Task. Once you get used to this simple flow, you'll be able to capture new work in Asana quickly and keep your projects clear,